Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kiosk India. The product in front of you today is a 22.5-inch touchscreen capacitive kiosk. This particular design is popular for use in exhibitions, corporate industries, malls, etc. If you see the design, there is a slight tilt in the design, and this is a capacitive touchscreen, full HD, 60 hertz, with toughened glass in front of the. So even if you knock on the kiosk, there's no problem. It's very strong and sturdy touchscreen. There's a silver border on the side of the touchscreen, which adds to the aesthetic appeal of the touchscreen. And other than that, this is a 1.6 mm MS body. This is very rough and tough, so this is not dentable. You cannot dent this body, you cannot damage this body. It is very robust and rough and tough. This is a special design for the extra speaker grills, and this whole entire kiosk is portable and on wheels. You can see I can move this around using a single hand because there are wheels at the bottom of the kiosk. These heavy duty caster wheels comes with brakes. You can apply brakes. If you apply brake here, now the kiosk will not move. It will stay stationary in a fixed position. So you can also brake this kiosk if you want to fix it in a single location, you have to apply the brakes. The display is quite bright and comes with inbuilt audio. If I show you the audio capability, let's run a YouTube video and we can check it out. So this is a YouTube video running full HD on display, and it comes with background music, and this is an inbuilt speaker which renders the background music. You see the quality of the display is quite good and bright. Other than this, what we can do is we'll play some Bollywood music. Let's play a Bollywood song. You see the audio is audio volume is quite sufficient for exhibition use or regular usage, and we'll check out some other video as well. So this touch is very smooth. Comes with 10-point multi-touch touchscreen, and so this is some sample zoo application. We'll just check it out. This is, say for example, we are looking for the information of Royal Bengal tiger, and we just click on the Royal Bengal tiger icon, and you can see this information. And if I click down, say white rhino, then I can see the information of the white rhino, similarly, etc., etc. So this is the information about the lion. Okay. If you want to type something, you just click on the field twice, and the keyboard pop-up will come up, virtual keyboard, and you can type using the virtual keyboard. And this comes with inbuilt dual band Wi-Fi, so you have a long range dual band Wi-Fi inbuilt, and you can also connect directly a LAN port. I'll show you the LAN port connector directly kept outside. So here is the LAN port connector. Just use your LAN cable and just directly connect over here, and you will be able to, you don't need to go inside and plug it into the LAN port of the computer. You can directly access the external LAN port here, and you can switch on, switch off the power directly from here. You can insert the power cable in here. So if you talk about the backside maintenance door access, I'll show you the maintenance door access as well. Before that, I'll just show you some other features. This open source software already installed on this computer, some standard open source software. And if you check the specifications of this kiosk, let me just check the specs. So this comes with Intel Core i5 10th generation with 8 GB RAM and touch support with 10 touch points, and latest Windows 10 22H2 with all the latest drivers and everything installed. And there's a SSD, inbuilt SSD, where the operating system and some other partition. Okay, so let's check out the backside maintenance door. So we're checking out the backside maintenance door. You can open this with the special key which will provide you here directly. So these are 3 locks. You just insert the key and twist it a little bit. So right now 2 locks were installed, and this is the HP CPU which is installed in here. You can see it is properly fitted, and so no damage or shaking in the transportation. And this is a neat and clean wiring arrangement, adapter arrangement. So everything, all the fitting and everything is done on the back side. And this is the backside view of the kiosk. Elegant, simple to use, easy to install, and you can install your own CPU. For example, if you don't want to buy CPU from us and wants to install your own CPU, you can do that. You can use your own CPU for fitting here. And this is a airtight fitting arrangement, very snug. This is a rubber gasket for IP fitting, and this is good quality locks which I showed you. So that's it. That's it for this kiosk, and hope you like this design, and do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such updates. Thank you.